Hey, what's going on and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to clean your dusty blinds. And trust me, spring's right around the corner and it's time to get her done. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips on how to get rid of dust on your blinds. My name is Amber Swanson and I am a professional house cleaner and I have my own house cleaning business, and I want to share with you the tips and tricks of the trade to help you save time and money. So if you want to learn more, consider subscribing. So tip number 1 is you want to make sure you start with dry blinds, because what I've learned is that when water and dust, they do not mix well, which makes your job even more challenging. So to save time, make sure that you start with dry blind. Tip number 2 is you want to make sure you gather all your materials, especially if you're a shorty like me. You want to make sure you grab a ladder. If you want to learn more about other materials you'll need to efficiently dust and clean your blinds, you're going to want to check out this video here. Tip number 3 is you want to start from the top to the bottom. I've made the rookie mistake in the beginning of starting from the bottom, and what I've learned is I've had to go back to dusting the blinds because dust falls. So keep that in mind when you're dusting, especially if you only have a limited amount of time to get the job done. You want to make sure you start from the top to the bottom, because I learned that when you start from the bottom, dust falls. So you're actually making more work for yourself than you need to. So make sure you start from the top and make your way down, and then go from left to right and just continue to move down as you go. Tip number 4 is you want to make sure that you have your blinds open and slanted. And the reason this is when the light comes in, you get to see what dust you either left behind or what you need to do to go back. Tip number 5 is you want to make sure that you switch your blinds on the opposite side. Now that you have the front side done, switch it over and go from the back and rinse and repeat the process. One little extra tip that I would throw your way is after you've dusted your blinds, go in and dust inside of your windowsills so that the dust from there doesn't come back onto your blinds. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like this video and share it with somebody who can definitely get value out of it too. But now that you know how to dust your blinds, you're going to want to check out this next video on how to properly clean your blinds. It's very important, and I'm going to help you save time and give you the best tips and tricks to help you do so. So in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.